Tank Nerds. Lottie here again. Right, so today is going to be an interesting video. Hopefully you can hear me. It's really loud because it's raining at the moment. That's part of the reason why today's video is so different. One, I'm going to show you a kind of tour of the work area and all the water that we've been getting. We're all good, by the way. We're all good. So some of my international friends were concerned that we got flooded, and like technically like we are flooded, but we're not like flooded. Down south it's a little bit worse up, so they're actually flooded. Townsville and Innisfail, we're all good here though. So yeah, I've also fallen behind on my videoing a little bit, so I just want to catch you guys up onto actually what I'm working on right now, as in today of release. Just so you can get a good idea that, yeah, we go through so many restorations, it's a little hard to like keep up with the filming with the work that we actually do. Sorry, got a cough too. Anyway, let's get to the video. Water. Water. Lots of water. You might also hear some thunder and lightning because it's a storm. So yeah, all that's underwater there, but that's not too much of a problem. That's one of the side entrances, so we're not too worried about that. Moving over here, we're in the big shed, by the way. Which, yeah, normally remains empty. More water out here. Water. That's a bit of thunder. I don't know what the back looks like, but I think they might be in trouble. So there's a helicopter place over there. I think they might be a little bit submerged, but I'm not really too keen on going back there at the moment. I don't want to get wet until I'm going swimming. I mean, I absolutely want to go in there and go swimming, but I won't. Okay, and then we'll go for a little walk, and I'll show you what the other... So yeah, got some leaks, but it's not too bad. Just got hit in the face with some dripping water. But yeah, we're mostly dry. We're dry where it matters. Splash, splash. There's a lot over there. I tried opening this door before, but it's swollen shut. But yeah, you can see water coming in. Believe it or not, it was actually gushing under the door before, so it's slowed down a little bit, which is really nice. So the drains are doing what they're supposed to be doing, but yeah, just a lot of water coming in. Look at how much. And then we got our high point. Enjoying the weather. And then over here we've got some water. Fortunately that's not ours, but it's not causing any issues, fortunately. But yeah, so this is like the main drain. So the drain goes under here, and it's actually been bubbling out from over the top, but it's actually slowed down, believe it or not. It was like bursting out as the side. As you can see, the water on the side of the forklift, it was just blasting with water, which is interesting. But yeah, we're not too worried. Excuse me, because the water will go that way a little bit more than it will go in here. So yeah, I think Peter's trying to open that door. I'd looked at that one before. But yeah, lots of water there. Fortunately, we're all dry here, so no issues with our fantastic spot. Oh, excuse me, got a bad cough. But out here, yeah. Oh, I saw a bit of lightning just now. Yeah. Well, we've got a pool. There's the lake, and there's the pool. Yeah. It's not as heavy as what it was, which is really good, but still, there's the thunder. Here's a quick little snapshot at all the road closures in the area. So, maybe not so great. Thank you, Peter. Sorry for the hard cut. The problem is, yeah, so at the end of that video, at the end of the bit that I just filmed, it was all like hunky-dory. It's still hunky-dory, but I thought you might enjoy this. You can see the car in the last little bit of footage. This car is now almost up to its doors in water. I think it might be okay. We have let the relevant people know so they can make a decision on what to do with it. But yeah, probably not the greatest place to park. But I do believe the reason is, so behind that tree line is like a gully, and that's probably full of water. I would go out and have a look, but it's raining and I don't want to get wet right now. And that little, what do you call it, something, the pipe through there is probably blocked, so water's just banking up here. Not fantastic. I mean, there's obviously less water, you can actually hear it. That's receded, but that's gone up. So not great. So I'm not worried at all. But yeah, what I might, just as a quick little, spoiler, I'm just going to give you a quick little look at what we've actually been working on, because I'm a little bit behind on I've been filming stuff, but we are a few projects behind of what we're actually working on now. So I'll just give you a quick little snippet. So Peter's painting the Hunter. We've got a new truck in. Helicopter blades. And I've got my project behind there, but I'm not going to show you that one because that one's going to come out soon. And I actually want to show the full thing from beginning to end. So yeah, you'll also see these. So these were literally dropped off like yesterday afternoon. They are from a TH55, I believe. And my job I should say, is to clean them up and paint them and make them look pretty. And then I think we're going to mount them onto something that kind of spins, but not very quickly, because obviously we don't want people dying. So there you have it. Sounds like the rain's starting up again. It's getting louder. We're all good. I know a lot of people were freaking out. Some of my international friends were freaking out because we've been getting flooding here. That's a little bit further south, so Townsville and Ingham, they're actually flooded. We're okay here. I think the worst at this spot where I am standing, the worst this has ever flooded was maybe like up to the top of my boots. So we're not worried. Although if the council, not that they're watching this, but the council would actually look after their waterways and actually clear them out like everyone keeps telling them to, wouldn't have anywhere near this level of trouble. So anyway, that's the end of my rant. So yeah, I hope you like this really different video. Obviously it's not my normal stuff, but yeah, I thought I might just give you a quick little tour of what it's like in rainy far north Queensland and why we tell people to stay away when it's stormy season, because it's Exhibit A. So yeah, anyway, I hope where you are in the world you're having a lovely time, and you're not flooded. Excuse me, burping. Hope you're having a lovely time, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!